as the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited. Her mother, Neeta Ambani, is the founder of the Reliance Foundation. Isha has a twin brother named Akash Ambani, as well as a younger brother named Anant Ambani. After completing her early education at Dhirubhai Ambani International School, a premier educational institution in Mumbai, Isha went on to pursue a degree in psychology and South Asian studies from Yale University in the United States. She furthered her education by obtaining a master's degree in business administration from the Stanford Graduate School of Business in California. After completing her studies, Isha began her career as a business analyst at McKinsey & Company. Later, she returned to India and in 2014, joined her father's company, Reliance Industries, as a member of the board of directors. She also became a member of the executive committee of Reliance Jio Infocomm, the telecommunications arm of Reliance Industries. Isha has played a pivotal role in the development of Jio's digital services and has been actively involved in initiatives aimed at providing affordable and accessible digital connectivity to millions of people across India. Alongside her brothers, she spearheaded the employee launch of Jio's 4G services in December 2015, with Ambassador Shah Rukh Khan in attendance. Additionally, Isha holds positions in the executive leadership teams at Reliance Foundation, Reliance Retail, Reliance Jio, and Dhirubhai Ambani International School. In 2016, she ventured into the fashion industry by launching Ajio, an online fashion brand that operates as a subsidiary of Reliance Retail. As the company's managing director, Isha oversees the branding and management segments. Under her leadership, Ajio.com has expanded to feature over 2,500 brands, becoming a key focus of Reliance Retail's online fashion arm. Ajio has achieved annual sales of $2 billion and commands over 15% of the fashion e-commerce market in India. In August 2022, Mukesh Ambani appointed Isha Ambani as the new CEO of Reliance Retail, coinciding with the company achieving a turnover of around $26.67 billion. Reliance Retail partners with renowned international brands such as Jimmy Choo, Versace, Giorgio Armani, Hugo Boss, Brooks Brothers, Michael Kors, Armani Exchange, Burberry, and many more. Under Isha's leadership, Reliance Retail focused on aggressive expansion, nearly doubling its valuation from 2020 to 2023. In July 2023, Ambani announced a significant deal with American apparel brand Gap to market and sell their products in India, launching over 100 Gap outlets in the country. As the executive director of Reliance Retail, Isha has been instrumental in the development of Jioworld Plaza, a shopping and entertainment complex in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. In addition to her responsibilities, Isha has assumed a senior role at Jio Financial, where she is actively involved in strategic development and implementation for all marketing teams at Reliance Industries. Isha Ambani and her husband, Anand Piramal, are proud owners of a magnificent 5-story luxurious mansion named Gulita, situated in the posh Warle locality of Bandra, Mumbai. This opulent residence, gifted by Isha's in-laws Aj and Swati Piramal, boasts a value of approximately $55 million. Gulita, facing the Arabian Sea, spans an impressive area of 50,000 square feet. The mansion features a 3-story basement parking, a private swimming pool, multiple dining spaces, a temple, and even a diamond room. Equipped with state-of-the-art amenities and technology-enabled conveniences, Gulita also includes a salon with renowned makeup artists always available. The ground floor of Gulita boasts a spacious lobby with a versatile area suitable for hosting grand events. Additionally, a round-shaped study area on this floor adds a touch of sophistication. However, the most captivating feature lies in the first basement, showcasing a mesmerizing open water body. The lowest basement of the residence can accommodate up to 20 luxury cars. Designed by the London-based engineering firm Eckersley O'Callaghan, this grand residence exemplifies luxury and elegance in every detail. Cars. In Isha Ambani's garage, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class Guard stands out as one of the most expensive rides. This bulletproof vehicle is powered by a 12-cylinder V-shaped engine, delivering a maximum power of 523 bhp and 829 Nm of torque. Alongside the S-Class Guard, she owns a Bentley Bentayga, a supercar equipped with a 4.0 litres twin-turbo V8 engine, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. Among their vast collection of cars, there's also an Aston Martin Rapide, boasting a super luxurious appeal and a 6.0 litres V12 engine capable of reaching speeds of up to 330 km/h on the road. Net worth. In 2015, Isha Ambani secured a position among the 12 most powerful upcoming businesswomen of Asia. Estimating Isha Ambani's net worth is a complex endeavor, involving various factors such as her professional earnings, personal assets, inherited wealth, and spousal contributions. While she boasts an estimated net worth of $100 million, accurately pinpointing her net worth is challenging due to factors like limited transparency, the dynamic nature of wealth, and intangible assets. Despite her access to various reports and estimations, Isha Ambani prefers to maintain a private lifestyle while diligently carving her path in commerce. In conclusion, stepping into Isha Ambani's gold bedroom isn't just about experiencing luxury, it's about immersing yourself in a world where every moment feels special. From the shiny gold accents to the incredible sense of indulgence, this remarkable space offers a peek into a lifestyle beyond imagination. So, if you've ever dreamed of surrounding yourself with the finest things in life, get ready to be amazed by the sheer magnificence of Isha Ambani's gold bedroom, where every night feels like a royal celebration. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support means the world to us. Also, don't forget to comment on what topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Your feedback fuels our content creation. While you're here, be sure to check out some of our other videos related to today's topic for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.